All right, guys, so here's a good question for you guys too as well. Let's say there's two drivers. One loves the adaptive cruise control. It maintains that distance. You guys will love it. The second person doesn't like it. Who knows what? Because we're falling asleep. Driving's a little boring, right? Well, there's a quick way to turn that on or off so you guys be in the know, and there's a visual cue. Let me show you what that looks like and how that's done. All right, so here we go. We're here at the steering wheel now. As you guys can see that your Honda Sensing is available. The ACC is your adaptive cruise control. If you don't see that, just select this main button. It's gone, now it's available. As you probably already know, with your adaptive cruise controls, this button, you select the distance between you and the car in front of you. All right, so now let's say if I don't want the adaptive, I just want standard. All you do is click and hold this button down, it beeps, look at that, visual cue, cruise mode. There it is, mission accomplished.